City Elf here, and we're on day 9 of our 12 days of Christmas. You might have a fake tree, you might have a real tree. It really doesn't matter for this project, because we're gonna build a tree box. If you were here on day 5 of our Christmas countdown, you'll remember that we made Christmas card holders with these pieces of wood. Well, luckily, I had some left over, so I'm going to use these to make our tree box. I want my pieces to be 12 inches tall and 20 inches long. These boards are 24 inches long, like the card holders, so let's cut them down to our 20 inches. From here, our project gets really simple. Basically, you want to decorate each piece however you want. Some people might want to put trim pieces and frame it out. I already have the slats in it from when I did the card holders, and I actually really like that look. And this wood is really pretty, so I'm going to leave it as is. So now all I have to do is I have to sand it, and then we're going to put it together. To put it together, because I don't want it to take up a lot of storage space, I'm going to take these little tiny L brackets, and I'm going to put one on the top and one on the bottom, connecting all of my pieces. That way when Christmas is over, we can just take it apart and store it and save it for next year. So good, but you guys know I love my vinyl elves, so let's see what we can do. My favorite second of every minute of every hour of every day of every year, and that's bringing out the Christmas tree. Mini elves, bring the Christmas tree! Love this project. I hope you guys liked it too. You should totally check out Plot Designs for her other tutorials. If you like this kind of content, then click that notification bell so you can see what's next on our 12 days of Christmas wood.